Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the first chapter of English literature. So we have discussed the same part in grammar also. Today's part will be for the literature portion, and we will take our reference from this book, and the name of the book is Weaver's main course book, which you have been given from the school. And literature portion, you need the book, so make sure you sit with a pencil, and if you have not, then go pause the video and bring a pencil, and then you have to go through the text line by line as I go through. Okay, so we'll begin with the chapter. Name of the chapter is Out of the Frying Pan into the Fire. The name of the chapter is very interesting. Before that, I would like to explain you something. The thing is that the main content in this chapter is that the child, a small child, he studies in class 6 and something strange happens to him. What is the thing is that it happened with you also, I guess, and it happened with me also. So the thing is that he thinks something into the mind. Sitting in the class, he thinks something in the mind, and the teacher makes him stand up and asks, why are you thinking this? He did not say that thing to the teacher, neither he said that thing to the friends also, but the teacher understands his face or his expressions and make him stand up and ask him. Happened it with you? I guess. So it happened with me also. Sometimes we think something into the mind and the teacher asks us randomly and asks us that what we are thinking, and we feel like, what happened? We didn't say it to anyone, so why is the teacher asking? Same thing happened with a child also over here. His name is Selvam, and he thinks something into the mind, and the teacher always pulls him up and asks him that why are you thinking this? So it's a very unique story. We'll go through this. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter. First line, the chapter starts the beginning from zero period. So it is the zero period in the school and everybody is sitting in the class, and the teacher comes to Selvam. Selvam is the boy. She comes to him and she starts scolding him. Okay, that Selvam, you had your turn. You have had your turn. You will not say anything till everyone has had a turn. Do you understand that? The teacher is scolding him that you will not speak anything. You had your turn. They were playing something might be. So you will not speak anything. Everybody will finish and then you will speak. Okay. Then he says that, yes miss, but Selvam, last warning. Then he says that, yes miss, but then the teacher says that, Selvam, last warning. Then Selvam says, look through the window, blibbering humdingers. Blibbering humdingers, this is a quote which is taken from Harry Potter series. Okay, blibbering humdingers means something like you say to divert the teacher's attention. Understood? We say, no, wo dekho kawa ud raha hai, and somebody looks outside and then you do your work. Similarly, the teacher Selvam wanted to divert the teacher attention and say that blubbering humdingers. Okay, and blubbering humdingers is a title which is taken from the Harry Potter series. Okay, so Selvam is so clever, he is saying that blubbering humdingers. Okay, then the teacher knows that blubbering humdingers is taken from Harry Potter series. She says that, Selvam, I am impressed by your knowledge of Harry Potter, but you are not Luna Lovegood. Sit, she said dryly. Okay, so the teacher said that I know you are very clever in Harry Potter series, you know some very good knowledge about Harry Potter series, but you are not Luna Lovegood. Luna Lovegood is the character. Harry Potter mein, this character only she speaks about blibbering humdingers. Okay, so the teacher says that you are not Luna Lovegood, that you are saying blibbering humdingers. You are very good in Harry Potter series, but keep quiet and sit in the class. Don't disturb others. The teacher is saying, okay, the teacher said dryly. Dryly means in a not very entertaining manner, in an angry manner. Okay. Looking chastened, Selvam sat down hurriedly. He shot an apologetic glance at Raghu, who was hiding behind the door, trying to sneak in. Okay, so what happened? Looking chastened. You can see the meanings, my dear. See in the back, the word list is given in page number 3. So chastened means humbled. Dar varke sahem ke, he sits down, and then Selvam sat hurriedly. Okay, he shot an apologetic. Apologetic means you say no, apology. Apology means basically feeling sorry. Apology letter likhte hai na, we write apology in which we are sorry. So apologetic, Selvam feels apologetic, उसे थोड़ा feeling होता है ऐसा, and he sits down. Okay, why was he doing that? He was doing everything, okay, just because his friend Raghu was standing out of the door. और उसके फ्रेंड को अंदर लाने के लिए ही वॉज डूइंग ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस ताकि टीचर का अटेंशन बाहर जाए एंड रघु चुपके से क्लास में घुस जाए. Did you understand that? So Raghu was standing at the door and he was wanting to sneak in. And this all drama was being done by Selvam so that the teacher could divert her mind and Raghu could enter the class. Did you understand that? Read the line, you will understand. Looking chastened, Selvam sat hurriedly. He shot an apologetic. ऐसा वाला लुक कि कुछ नहीं कर पाए, टीचर इज वेरी चालू. अंडरस्टूड? सो ही लुक्स एट रघु. ओके, सेल्वम इज लुकिंग एट रघु एपोलोजेटिक वे में, सॉरी वे में. एंड हु वाज हाइडिंग बिहाइंड द डोर, एंड रघु वाज हाइडिंग बिहाइंड द डोर ट्राइंग टू स्नीक इन. स्नीक इन मींस क्लास में छुपके से घुसना. रघु एंटर. स्पेयर सेल्वम इज यूजलेस एफर्ट्स टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट मी. टीचर इज वेरी क्लेवर, टीचर इज लुकिंग एवरीथिंग. टीचर इज सेइंग दैट रघु गेट इन and spare Selvam. Don't look at Selvam. Okay, Selvam is not going to divert my attention. I am very clever than Selvam. The teacher gives an indication and Raghu gets inside the class. What? She didn't have an X-ray vision, did she? Now Raghu is thinking, अरे I was doing all this nonsense to let Raghu in. ये सब टीचर को पहले से पता था. The teacher knew all those things. Okay, so he is thinking that, he is thinking in the mind, Selvam, what? She didn't have X-ray vision. उसका तो एक्सरे विजन नहीं है. एक्सरे विजन मीन्स यू नो हु कैन अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है, शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. सो सेल्वम इज थिंकिंग दैट डिड द टीचर हैव एक्सरे विजन. उसे मेरा सब ड्रामा पहले से पता था कि मैं रघु को अंदर लाने के लिए ये सब कर रहा हूं. ओके, सो दिस वाज द थिंग दैट वाज गोइंग थ्रू. सो ये सब everything happened in the zero period. Now the scene goes in the first period. Bell rings, first period starts. First period is maths period, most interesting class. See what happens. So the teacher is asking, okay, so if 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, what is 1 divided by 8? Okay, so the teacher is asking, Selvam, quit bobbing up and look down like a yo-yo. Renuka, so the teacher is saying this thing, that Selvam, stop bobbing up and down like a yo-yo. Selvam was so notorious. He used to keep खड़ा होता था, बैठ जाता था. He used to stand up and sit down. Okay, so what happened? The teacher said that stop acting like a yo-yo. Okay, sitting up and standing down. Sit quietly. Okay, teacher scolded to Selvam, and then the teacher asked Renuka, stand up. Okay, so she was asking that if 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, what is 1 divided by 8? Okay. Renuka stand ups and she said that 0.5 miss. Okay, she is very confidently saying 0.5 miss. Then the teacher asked, how did you get that, Renuka? The teacher is asking to her that how did you get that, Renuka? Then Renuka explains, well, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, so 1 divided by 8 must be ... So she is thinking. So she forgot. That means Renuka was not confident about her answer. She just stand up and said the answer, and the answer was wrong. How does it get proved? Because she says that okay, this was the answer ... Renuka's voice slowly stopped, seeing the look and the teacher's face. So Renuka's voice stopped down. Understood? It slowed down. Why? Because she was looking at the teacher's face. Then again Selvam comes. Selvam starts thinking, oh, didn't this stupidus know the difference between integers and fractions? Okay, this is all going into the Selvam's mind. What he is thinking, stupidus, this word you can see, is a Spanish word, okay, which means stupid. Okay, so Selvam is thinking into the mind. ये बेवकूफ को इतना भी नहीं पता integer और fraction के बीच में difference. Understood? Selvam is thinking into the mind, and he is laughing at her friend Renuka. Stupidus does not mean the difference between integers and fraction. Understood? He is thinking. Then the teacher looks at his face and said, Selvam, stop calling people names into your head. Then the teacher is very clever. Teachers look into her face and says that, Selvam, stop giving names to each and everyone. Understood? Then Selvam is again stuck. He is thinking that, was this one a mind reader? क्या ये teacher mind पढ़ सकता है? Was this one a mind reader? पहले वाला was X-ray machine. Okay, this one was a mind reader. Okay, so Selvam is again thinking that, was this one a mind reader? Okay, so this was, with this the first period also ends, maths period. Again bell rings, the geography teacher enters happily inside the class. The geography teacher, what happens in this period? See, he sighed loudly. Sighed means take a deep breath, like this kind of breath. So this is known as sighed, S-I-G-H-E-D. Okay, so sighed here, don't say sigged. The pronunciation is sighed, S-I-G-H-E-D. So taking a deep breath in a relaxing mode is sighed. So he sighed loudly. फिर से geography teacher, okay, so he is sighing loudly. Selvam, have you completed the map activity? The teacher is coming and scolding him. Then Selvam is saying, I need to sharpen my pencils, miss. Okay. Then the teacher is saying, don't spill the shavings around the basket like you did the last time. Okay. Last time with pencil, you had sharpened and you had loitered it around here. So don't do it. Okay. Don't litter around. Okay. So the teacher is saying this to Selvam. Don't spill the shavings like you had done. Clear that much? Next line. I didn't do that, miss. Selvam is saying. Okay. Then teacher is saying, I know Raghu pushed you, the basket fell over and you are totally blameless. हाँ मुझे पता है कि तुमने कुछ नहीं किया, रघु ने आपको धक्का दिया और बास्केट गिर गया और पेंसिल बिखर गया, तुमने तो कुछ नहीं किया, मुझे पता है, you are blameless, you are very good. Okay, so the teacher is saying, Selvam was flummoxed. How did she recall the playful scuffle from the last week? So Selvam को फिर से he was flummoxed, he was strangely वो बहुत डर गया था. How did she recall the playful scuffle? Scuffle means एक छोटा सा झड़प, लड़ाई kind of thing. टीचर को ये लास्ट वीक का लड़ाई, थोड़ा सा उतना लड़ाई हुआ तो उसको आज तक याद है. Understood? This teacher has a good memory. Understood? So this with this again first Selvam said that the teacher was this thing X-ray machine. Zero period में. Understood? Raghu वाला incident. First period में what happened? First period में the teacher Selvam was saying stupid to his friend. Stupid उसने बोला, teacher को पता चल गया. Then Selvam thought that was this a mind reader. Geography period में teacher को basket वाला बात पता चल गया. Then Selvam started thinking that teacher has a good memory. She is remembering everything. That small fight she remembering from the last time till today. Now this period also goes by. Again comes the physical education period, PT period. Okay, now the PT teacher comes. Selvam flexed his muscles. Raghu was 2 inches shorter and weighed less than Selvam. How could he have bigger muscles than Selvam? Selvam instinctively means कुछ सोचे समझे बगैर. Understood? Just taking an action. Instinctively rubbed his sore spot on his thigh. He was rubbing his hand on this thigh. Okay. Selvam, why are you standing there daydreaming? Mr. Senthil cuffed him around the ears. Okay. So what happened? Selvam was doing nothing and he was staring like that. Understood? Then the teacher scolded him. Selvam, what are you doing there? Daydreaming. Understood? सपने देख रहे हो, दिन के सपने. What are you doing there? You are doing daydreaming. Okay. Then the teacher cuffed his ears, कान पकड़ लिया उसका. Okay. And then brought him. Understood? मसल ऐसे ऐसे दिखाने से you will not become Mr. Madras. Okay. So the teacher scolded him. PT teachers are like that only. They don't think what to say, so they just say it. So similarly out here also the physical education teacher pulled him by his ears, brought him and said that you are not going to become Mr. Madras if you show your arms like this. Come here and perform what the other students are doing. Okay. So what happened? This also went by. So you cannot become Mr. Madras, said this. Okay. You have scored some runs less for your team. Okay, you can be Mr. Madras when you have scored some runs for your team. Okay, तुम मद्रास मिस्टर मद्रास तभी बनोगे जब तुम अपनी टीम के लिए कुछ रन स्कोर करके लाओगे. Understood? ऐसे मसल दिखाने से you will not become Mr. Madras. So the teacher says this to Selvam. Okay, so Selvam was again shocked. Mr. Madras वाला तो बात मैंने ड्रीम में देखा था that I am becoming Mr. Madras. How come the teacher knows this? Can this teacher look into my dreams also? Understood? So again PT teacher के बारे में Mr. Madras जैसे बोला, so he understands everything. Okay, so this was the physical education period. Okay, so again zero period, what he thought that the teacher is an X-ray machine. Second maths period, he thought that was this teacher a mind reader. Understood? Stop people names जो बोला था. Geography period में टीचर रिमेंबर्ड द एक्टिविटी, छोटा सा एक्टिविटी अभी तक उसे याद है. एंड फिजिकल एजुकेशन पीरियड में मिस्टर मद्रास वाला ड्रीम में मैंने देखा था, उसे आज भी याद है. सो ही रिमेंबर्स द ड्रीम पार्ट ऑल्सो. इज दिस टीचर अ माइंड रीडर और अ ड्रीमर? Now comes the beautiful English period which you are having like now. Okay, so the English teacher comes here happily. So the teacher asks, what does table mean in geography, statistics, civics and interior decoration? टेबल का मीनिंग क्या हो जाता है इन ज्योग्राफी, स्टेटिस्टिक्स, इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन में? एक ही वर्ड का अलग अलग कैसे मीनिंग निकलता है? एक क्वेश्चन शी आस्क्स. ओके, Selvan's hand itched to pull his smartphone. Selvam was a very naughty boy. He had carried a smartphone into his pocket. Understood? So Selvam, what he wanted to do, he was a very naughty boy. His hands were itching. हाथ खुजला रहा था. क्यों? Just cell phone निकालो, चुपके से आंसर देखो, and wanted to say the teacher. So his hands were itching. Okay. So what happened was that he wanted to pull out his smartphone and just say the answer to the teacher. Selvam, don't even think about using your phone to consult an online thesaurus. Thesaurus means a dictionary. Okay, don't make me take it from your pocket like I did from the last one. Okay, like take it from you like I did from the last one. Teacher is saying that Selvam का एक्टिविटी देख के टीचर बोल रहा है, don't think that you will take out a smartphone and tell the answer. Okay, I will, and don't force me to take that smartphone like I did it from the last time. Okay, so again Selvam is shocked. मैंने फोन लाया है, मैंने तो इसे बताया भी नहीं, and I was just thinking कि मैं निकाल लूं. टीचर को ये भी पता चल गया कि that I have a smartphone in my pocket. टीचर तुक्का लगा रहा था. Understood? So Selvam को वही पता चल जाता है. So what happened was that, did she have a crystal ball? What does it mean? Crystal ball you have seen, no? Like huge कांच का एक बॉल होता है, and उसमें ऐसे ऐसे हाथ घुमा करके आपके फॉर्चून के बारे में, अबाउट योर फॉर्चून, अबाउट योर लक बताया जाता है, भविष्यवाणी किया जाता है. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, क्रिस्टल बॉल. सो ही इज थिंकिंग दैट, डज दिस टीचर हैव अ क्रिस्टल बॉल? Does she know that what I have brought in my pocket also? So with this, English period also ends, and then comes the Hindi teacher. Selvam squirmed in his seat. Squirmed means move around a lot in discomfort. जैसे उसे बैठने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. He was moving like this. Okay. So Selvam squirmed in his seat, causing the pages of his table to slide off and scatter on the floor. So naughty boy. All the pages were there. He was doing like this. Why? He wanted to throw all the pages from the bench to the class. Class में पेज फैला देना चाह रहा था, बदमाशी करके. So teacher looked to him. Okay. Selvam, are you trying to cause a distraction again? क्या तुम फिर से distraction करने का कोशिश कर रहे हो? Are you wanting to distract the class? Raghu is already in the class and doesn't need your help now. Okay. So what do you want to discomfort? So the teacher said that, क्या तुम distract करने का कोशिश कर रहे हो? Raghu is already in the class and he does not need your help. So stop distracting others and look into your book and study. Teacher started saying. Selvam froze. Froze means like become like an ice. Understood? So he froze like this. Okay. So what happened? Did she know everything that happened in the school? क्या टीचर को वो जीरो पीरियड में हेल्प किया था मैंने, वो वाला बात उसे इस टीचर को भी पता है? So does she know everything what happens in the school? Okay. So this was the Hindi period, and then the period ends. So you can see that all the teachers are knowing your mind. So that means you cannot be very clever in front of a teacher and not with your parents also. Understood? So what you think, they understand you very nicely. If you think anything bad, they will understand that. So it's better not to do anything which is not proper. So teachers and parents are very, 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 very clever. Understood? So they can understand your minds, read your minds. Like Selvan's mind, everybody was reading. Okay. End of the school. Now what happened? Now a dangerous activity happens. See what happens. Selvam was going, understood, he was thinking and he was walking like this, and there was a small pebble, एक पत्थर आ जाता है, and he was thinking that all the teachers are so clever, my parents are also so clever, what to do, and he kicked a pebble. उसने एक पत्थर को लात मारा, and that pebble flew and went into the principal's car window, and the principal's car window shattered, it broke. Okay, and then he ran away from there. So you can imagine that how naughty this Selvam was. Okay, see, end of the school. Teachers, he is thinking all those things. Teachers, they are all knowing, have memories like elephants, have eyes at the back of their heads. Understood? Teachers, they have memories like elephant. इतना बड़ा brain है उनका, उनके दिमाग में सब रहता है. Understood? So he is thinking, and he is also saying that they have eyes at the back of their heads. उनके पीछे भी आँख है, सब दिखता है उनको. Understood? He is thinking. Now he would have to go home to a mother who was all teachers rolled into one. There was no respite for a boy. Respite means rest. Okay. So he is thinking that अब तो ये टीचर्स तो अलग अलग थे, अब ये सारे टीचर्स को मिला के जितना चालू बनता है, my mom is alone उतनी चालू. So she is better, far more clever than these teachers totality. Okay, so he is thinking कि फिर से घर में जाऊं, फिर से क्या सोचूंगा, and mom will again think me. So he is going, और ये सोचते सोचते what happened was that, see, sadly Selvam kicked a pebble. Pebble means a small stone, and watched in horror. और वो देख रहा था पत्थर कहाँ उड़ के जाता है, and पत्थर उड़ के गया कहाँ पे, प्रिंसिपल के कार विंडो में. And horror, as it soared means very ऊपर गया, straight onto the principal's car window. So with this we come to an end of a beautiful chapter. I hope you have enjoyed it, and this was a beautiful chapter. The next series will again come with the question answers. Okay, thank you very much.